everyone, Jesslyn here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be opening some packages from amazing companies from all over. I haven't seen their packaging yet, but they assured me that they were up for the challenge and that they wanted to be reviewed. So here I am to open their packages on the YouTubes. If you aren't a member already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below to become a part of the makers community with over 13,000 members and growing. All right, everyone, here we go. Let's open some packages and let's see our goodies. All right here we have Sparkle and Splash. Beautiful package. Wrapped up super nice. I'm already excited to see what's inside this. Oh my gosh, y'all. Beautiful packaging. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yes, Queen. Business card, sparkleandsplash.com. Oh my gosh, look at this bath bomb, y'all. Peachy Keen bath bomb. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this packaging. It is amazing. From Sparkle and Splash. You killed it. Oh my gosh, and look at this cute little soap in here. Grapefruit, apple, lemon, jasmine, mango zest, vanilla, and cedar. Can I say yes to the yes? And oh my god, a little candle. Eighth and Ocean, melon, lime, violet, jasmine, and driftwood. Honestly, blown away by this packaging. You killed it. Oh my gosh. Let's smell. We have to smell, right? I am so happy I opened this right now because it only got better inside. It's like you know my soul. All right, so as you guys can see, I just opened Starship Delights and I am popping in the earrings right now because why wouldn't I not want to rock some jumbo popsicle sticks on my ear? Yes, yes, yes. So cute. Oh my gosh. The little stickers. All right, I got my pizzas too. I love the little packaging that you guys did on here. It's really cute. It's awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to wear these on another video. I felt like these just went better with my space buns today and everything. Don't we agree? All right, here we go. Okay, Leash body care. All right, for all of you that know me, I am obsessed with lipstick and lip gloss and anything that requires to have to do with the lips. The lips. So when I opened this, I was stoked. Oh my gosh, I have 7 new lip glosses here. I can't wait to try these out. Yes. You guys are queens. I am so excited. And of course, I just have to do, some sniffing here. They even have them packaged. Yes, you guys this is awesome. Oh, yeah, look at that. Makes you even feel like even better when you're opening up the seal because it's been taken very well care of until it's gotten to you. Peanut butter chocolate, peanut butter chocolate, peanut butter chocolate. Y'all, that's just my normal day, breaking out into song like that. I'm so glad you're here to witness it with me. Oh my gosh! Okay, y'all. I have put this right on my lip. Go buy it now. Go buy it now. I like it too. I'm very, very picky. I'm not going to lie about lip gloss. So I hate anything with like flavor. And it doesn't have any flavor. So I'm like loving it. Pumpkin cheesecake. I was like, oh, I'll just open a couple. And then I read all the yummy scents on here. Get in it and smell it. Pumpkin cheesecake. Like what? How could I not open this right now? Oh, honey ale. Yes, 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 yes. So, this is Summit Valley. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. They smell lovely. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all. It only gets more beautiful underneath. Oh, yes, queen. Look at that folding. Beautiful. Yes, all the feels. So, this is Summit Valley. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. So like elegantly placed in here and just, oh, look at those colors. Oh, yes, yes, yes. All the feels. This is a wild herb sea salt bar. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. Yes, Summit Valley. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Okay, this is from Naughty Naturals World Candle Company. Guys, all I can smell is the smelly goodness coming out of this right now. I like how they told me a little bit about their company here. Sweet greens. Tomato leaf, lemon peel, basil, and moss. Here we go. Oh, y'all, that smells nice. Yes. Yes. Vanilla coffee. Sugary vanilla aroma with just the right amount of coffee. Oh my gosh, that one smells fantastic. Here we go. Mimosa, blood orange juice, and Prosecco. Yes. That one's nice. Yeah. Pancakes and vegan bacon. Melted butter, crisp bacon, and maple syrup. Oh my gosh. I'm going to light this one right now. Well, thank you all for tuning in. I hope you got some really good ideas. I hope you saw some amazing new companies. And if you want your product review, go ahead and just shoot me a message, leave a comment, and like below. All right, everyone. Thanks. And remember to join the Makers community on Facebook.